Hey John, what's going on? My name is Rashad Brown. This is my testimonial for the webinar that I seen today, which was amazing, by the way. To see you make almost $800 in such a short amount of time, it blew my mind, literally, man. It was like seeing my favorite team score a winning touchdown or a shot from half court. Like, it was that exciting. To get right into the question, I think the most valuable thing that I got out of the webinar today was to cut the red and grow the green. Like, that just stuck with me. I've been thinking about that all day. You don't want to be messing with traffic sources or websites that's not making you money, because you're going to hurt your profit potential doing that. So I think that was probably the most valuable thing, and that's what stuck with me all day today, thinking about cutting the red and growing the green. Probably the second most value that I got out of the webinar today was to hide your links and hide your work, because you don't want somebody copying your work. That's also hurting your profit potential, so you don't want to do that. I think I'll be a great student. Like, right now in my life, I've never been more focused. I have a 4-year-old daughter and I have a daughter on the way, and I do this for them. Not only that, but as you can see, probably from the blue shirt, if you can see it, I'm a cab driver for the disabled in New York City. And to be a driver in this city is probably the worst thing. It probably has to be on the list of the top 10 worst jobs in the city to have. And I can't take it anymore. I hate this job. And not only do I hate this job, I hate every job that I ever had. I realized that working for somebody, making somebody else rich, I'll never be happy doing that. So I wake up every day on a mission to be a better affiliate marketer, so I can buy my freedom back, so I can get my freedom back. Like, it goes without saying. Like, I don't know the people that was on the webinar today, but I can guarantee that they're not as hungry and as focused and as determined as I am. I can say that with confidence. I understand the concept of working smarter and not harder, and right now I'm working harder and I see it, and I'm ready to make a change. And John, if you could help me out, I would greatly appreciate it. I'm a fast learner. I take pride in my work, and I take pride in figuring out problems myself. So I won't be emailing you all the time whenever I run into a problem. Most likely I'm going to try to figure it out myself. You want somebody on your team like me. I barely sleep. I barely even sleep, because I'm always online trying to become better at what I do, or what I'm trying to do. With that being said, I hope I'm one of the two to get picked. And if not, I'll be seeing you when you launch, because either way, I'm gonna be a part of this. I have to be. So thanks for watching, and hope to hear from you soon.